Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over Kaspa coin, let you guys know what I'm looking at with that cryptocurrency, and get yourself prepared for probably a 4 or 5x, maybe even more with that coin, guys. But I want to go over Bitcoin. This wave is getting a little too strong. So I made a previous video. If it busted past that and it looked like a wick past there, you have a good shot that this could, it could be trying to attempt to make that fifth wave up to like maybe 22K, right around 21.8 to 22K. I don't think it's going to be very long, but these waves are starting to get pretty strong right here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then try to make its way up there. Just remains to be seen, or maybe it's going to be an A, like A, B, and then down for C. So just want to let you aware of that. The other thing you can do is come over here and check MicroStrategy. And MicroStrategy is kind of in the same position potentially. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's done there, or maybe it's not, come back and pull off a fifth wave. So you think about it, MicroStrategy, boom, right? And it's going to come down and correct. If Bitcoin does get up there, guys, here, I'm going to show you something on the 4-hour chart. If Bitcoin does get up there, that's where you're going to want to enter shorts. That will be prime time short location right up there, just like that with your bullish divergence up there, guys. And then that whole sequence on Bitcoin, I'll go over and relate this to Kaspa coin in just a second, guys. Let me erase that. See that wave just on the 8-hour chart, that's starting to look pretty strong, but don't know yet what's going to be happening. It's setting itself up to make some divergence too, guys. What you want to see right down in this area. But in my opinion, with this, so we'll go over all this 1, 2, and then this whole thing is the 3, 4, and then a 5 like this. Okay, I'll go back over this again. 1, 2. Okay, so that one will be about the same length right there, and then a 3, 4, and then up for a 5 in that area, probably near 22K. It's not going to be very high, but then you'll have your confirmation of your divergence here. Okay, you have a little bit there, but it's not, you really want to see the spike, in my opinion. That's what I'm looking for. And then let me clear this up for you guys. And then if it does do that, this is all like speculation, okay, guys? So you want to take the retrace on that third wave. So the short to 19 or 20, let's say it gets to 21.8 or something like that. The short area would be up here and then back down here, and then a 382 to the 19. So this is the trade everybody's looking for, it seems like, right here. They're expecting this right now. I don't think it's going to do it right now, guys. And it could go down to 50%, which is 18.8 in that area, and be completely okay. And then that wave right here, okay, right here, this whole sequence wave, it might pull this off. So 3, back down for a 4 and a 5. And you go over to MicroStrategy, right? Up for its 5 that it completes up here, right? What does MicroStrategy do over here? MicroStrategy goes back down A, B, and then a C, like that, okay? While Bitcoin is going to be doing that wave. So MicroStrategy, you already have, if it busts that, makes that fifth, you have a good shot that MicroStrategy's bottom has made a bottom, okay? And then that potentially means the same thing for Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin could have made a bottom. So still has some proving to do with these assets, obviously. If it makes that, that's good. If it comes to here and doesn't bust the like 18.7 or something like that and moves off over here, then it's game on, guys. So back over here to Kaspa. It's game on if you see that for 2023. I'm thinking that, I think it could be able to do that. Now I got it on the line chart for Kaspa, guys. So here's the deal. I wanted to show you this is I got 2 counts on there. So up onto this B wave or the bullish count. I'm still thinking this is a B wave, guys. Okay, because you got this right here. You see this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down for a 5 with your divergence right there on this 4-hour chart. Swing back up into a B, and then back down over here. So I think it's going to complete something over here. Take a look at Bitcoin goes up, and then when Bitcoin goes down and potentially that 4th wave, that's when Kaspa over here, right, over here, will be able to make that ABC move, just like so, okay? A, B, C is what I'm thinking, okay? I collected up some here in this area because you just never know. If it is bullish, and it decides to rip out of there, and somehow becomes a third wave, a three-wave move, then you have to change it and take that out, and then you got your 1, 2, 3, 4, your 3, and then potential 4 going into a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it'll be out of there. But here it is with Kaspa, guys, the deal with this coin. Some of these coins, I like this one because the waves are nice and clean with Kaspa. Okay, you can see up into an impulsive wave over here, an A, potentially B, back down for a C for your nice three-wave move, and then back down to this area. I do have lower targets, but more than likely 0.0, what is that, 35 or something like that from here to there. Okay, for your move potentially. And I would say if Bitcoin does that, if Bitcoin's doing that, that's probably when Kaspa would be able to pull that off. So you're looking at potentially 2 to 5x, maybe even more. Depends on how bullish this is going to get. And the guys on Twitter, get on there more too. Get all the friends that join in on Kaspa and go, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. And people see green candles, they start buying it, right? And by the way, I don't know the guys from Kaspa, and nobody pays me to with this coin. I'm going off the charts right here. It has a good setup. This is a really, really good setup, especially if you see this. This would be an excellent setup right over here for Kaspa, guys. 5 up, 3 back. What's 5 up and 3 back? That's what this is right here, guys. 5 up, 3 back into a third wave, or at a minimum, a C wave. So it's either A, B, C. Probably not that. It's probably a third wave over here, guys. That's where you want to be. That's prime time real estate on those assets. Kind of like Chili's, prime time real estate. Catch that second wave, boom, just like that, guys. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.